Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that promises to revolutionize your cleaning routine, the ECOVACS DEEBOT OZMO U2, a 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop. We found this innovative device online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what is the ECOVACS DEEBOT OZMO U2? At its core, it's a smart and efficient home cleaning solution designed to tackle both vacuuming and mopping tasks with ease. This robot cleaner combines powerful suction with the ability to mop hard floors, making it a versatile tool for maintaining a clean living space. With its sleek design and advanced technology, the DEEBOT OZMO U2 is engineered to seamlessly integrate into your daily life, taking the hassle out of cleaning. Let's discuss some of its most important features. First up is the Tangle-free brush, which is a game-changer, especially for pet owners. This feature prevents hair from wrapping around the brush, ensuring that the vacuum continues to perform at its best without constant maintenance. The DEEBOT OZMO U2 also boasts a 110-minute run time, which means it can cover a significant area of your home on a single charge. This is perfect for larger spaces or if you simply want to get through your cleaning tasks without interruptions. Another standout feature is the ability to create no-go zones. You can easily set boundaries in your home to keep the DEEBOT away from areas where it shouldn't go, such as around delicate furniture or pet beds. This level of control is particularly useful for families with young children or pets, ensuring that your robot cleaner operates safely and effectively. The DEEBOT OZMO U2 also supports voice and app control. With its companion app, you can schedule cleaning sessions, monitor cleaning progress, and customize settings from your smartphone. This gives you the flexibility to manage your cleaning tasks from anywhere, making it incredibly convenient for busy lifestyles. Now, who is this robot vacuum and mop suitable for? If you have pets, this device is an excellent choice. The Tangle-free brush and efficient suction power make it ideal for picking up pet hair and dander, ensuring your home remains clean and allergen-free. Additionally, if you're someone who struggles to find time for regular cleaning, the DEEBOT OZMO U2 can be a lifesaver. Its automated features allow you to spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your space. Let's explore some practical use cases for this product. Imagine coming home after a long day to find your floors spotless without having to lift a finger. With the DEEBOT OZMO U2, you can set it to clean while you're out, and by the time you return, your floors will be clean and fresh. It's also perfect for tackling daily messes, like crumbs or spills, especially in high-traffic areas like the kitchen and living room. Plus, if you have hardwood or tile floors, the mopping function can help maintain their shine and cleanliness. In conclusion, the ECOVACS DEEBOT OZMO U2 is a robust, feature-rich cleaning device that caters to a variety of needs, from pet owners to busy families. With its powerful suction, dual cleaning capabilities, and smart technology, it's designed to make your life easier and your home cleaner. Thanks for watching. If this video